and how are you all? Yes, I know you all are good. Do you know me? Yes, my name is Nirupama. I know you all are missing Harjit ma'am. Okay, Harjit ma'am already taught you last year A to Z. Now I'm taking the revision of A to Z, and also I teach you the sounds of the alphabets. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to sing a song with me? Are you ready to learn a song? Okay. A says aeroplane. A says aeroplane. A says aeroplane. A says aeroplane. B says banana. B says banana. B says banana. C says camel. C says cat. C says car. D says dog. D says drum. D says drum. E says elephant. E says egg. E says egg. F says flower. F says for flower. F says for flower. G says grapes. G says grapes. H says house. H says house. I says igloo. I says igloo. J says joker. J says joker. K says kite. K says kite. K says kite. L says lion. L says lion. L says lion. M says monkey. M says monkey. N says nest. N says nest. N says nest. O says owl. O says orange. O says orange. P says peacock. P says peacock. Q says quail. Q says quail. Q says quail. R says rose. R says rose. R says rat. S says sunflower. S says snake. S says train. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for watch. W for watch. X for X. Xbox. Salute for Xbox. Christmas tree. Xbox. Xmas tree. Y for you. You. Y for you. Yawn. Z for Z. Z. Z for Z. Z. Z for Z. Okay. Do you like? Are you enjoying? No? Yes. Okay, every day you listen this rhyme and also you learn it. Okay, bye bye.